It still looks good though.
Đi one cup. Okay. 1 to 4 cup of water.
Oh, that's true. Okay, I think everything is mixed.
Yeah, the peel it. Oh, peel for an hour. Yeah, that's good.
Oh, happy peel.
I think it's right. Just the French dough we made last night.
Oh.
And then the
Condensed What was everything, dude? Wait there.
Ocean blue, I come home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Won't you leave now? It's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me,
You eat that now? There's too much in you?
if you leave out the sky. Darling, don't you wait for
like that. I saw that.
Not I won't be
What is it about? That is not.
Mix everything in with and I also have a workout. That's my hand.
Ooh, it's cold here. And then leave the hand too much could break their skin. Yes.
No, dude, it trains your finger muscles, dude.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Don't. Yeah, just fold it in. Don't mix it too hard.
At the end of the day,
Oh, I think at the beginning you mixed it for 30 to 60 seconds. Then you fold in the raisins.
at the end of the day, you're gonna see some muscles on my finger.
It does feel bubbly, right? Time to mix the raisins. Wait, until the density was like you can see clearly or something. Looks nice already. So you don't have to be too hard. It's good already, though.
It's kind of like massaging.
It's good already. It's like,
It's kind of sticky still.
yeah, I think it's fine. That's how the dough texture looks like. I saw it in the video.
Oh, dude, there's actually a lot of water in the raisin. I think so. This is right on.
ocean blue, I come home for you.
Before the
Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Won't you leave now? It's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave out the sky.
It's too late.
Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be
Where?
Stuck the whole thing.
Yeah, I put oil surrounded it and just stuck it in there. Okay. Don't push it like that. Just lightly. The flour will absorb into it. It's good, Raisin.
Dude, it has to be uniform, huh? Otherwise, one part's gonna be hard and one part's gonna be soft, dude. Let me see.
Supposed to be kind of sticky.
Five. Dude, you gotta get your hands trained, dude.
My hand's not much.
Put it in there.
It's ready.
Put some elbow grease on it.
It's ready to put in the hands and shit. Oh my god, too liquid. Okay, it's okay. You want it to be soft and fluffy, so we don't want to knead it too much. It's fluffy. It's supposed to be fluffy, so.
Ocean blue, I come home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Won't you leave now? It's my time to go.
Hey, don't press it too hard.
I'll be waiting while you're not alone. Surprise if you leave out the skies.
You're good.
Darling, don't you wait
That's
for
a good
me.
breakfast, though. I think.
If not, I won't be coming home for you.
I wonder this side is nasty like that. Not enough flour. No, I want to push the flour there. I guess how it is. I'm gonna look that pretty. It's alright. Hold it for half an hour. 320 for half an hour for now. See if we're gonna go good, you know. Do unless I'm gonna start with 220 first, then add 10 minutes to it.
我属实，我把模式
我还没到，我就在那儿。
It still looks good though.